Hi there, and welcome to the Shopper Marketing Playbook. Follow this simple step-by-step playbook to develop and implement a shopper marketing strategy that increases sales, builds shopper insights, and grows brand awareness. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of shopper marketing maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical, modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, learn about Shopper. And here, the first step is to discover shopper marketing best practices, to understand shopper marketing maturity, and to evaluate the roles required for success. In stage number 2, it's about analyzing opportunities. And here, first you want to assess your shopper marketing maturity, then determine strategic partnerships, followed by defining the budget for your program and building the business case. In stage number 3, it's about strategic planning. And here, you're going to build a profile that represents your shopper, as well as beginning to gather insights about those shoppers. Next, you're going to build your shopper journey stages, plan your objectives and metrics, complete and present your plan, and hire resources to manage the program. In stage 4, you're going to move on to technology selection and start by discovering shopper marketing vendors, determine which ones are the best, and then ultimately build an integrated shopper marketing system. Next, we have stage 5, campaign execution. And here, the first step is to review the main strategies, tactics, and trends, and then launch campaigns based on those best practices. And that brings us to stage 6, which is all about measuring results. And here, you need to measure the results of your campaigns. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Shopper Marketing Framework. Succeed with shopper marketing by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.